First, boil your vermicelli noodles per bag instructions.
Next, boil the water again and put in the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then boil the water and put the pork belly in for 5 to 7 minutes. For the peanut sauce, mix in the peanut butter, water, hoisin sauce, lime juice, soy sauce, sugar, chili garlic paste, minced garlic, and sesame oil together on low heat in a pan for about 1 minute. Then set aside. For the fish sauce, mix the fish sauce, garlic clove, Thai chili peppers, water, lime juice, and sugar together. Then set aside. To wrap the spring rolls, first wet the rice paper in a bowl of warm water. Then you lay the rice paper on the plate. Fold 2 of the outer corners of the paper inwards about 1 inch. Then lay out 3 shrimps next to each other on the paper. Put the shrimp closer to you. Do the same with the pork belly next to the shrimp, even closer to you. Then grab 1 tablespoon of noodles and lay them on top of the shrimp. Next, add the veggies on top of the noodles and pork belly and shrimp. Then start rolling the spring roll tightly. I hope you enjoy your Vietnamese spring rolls with peanut sauce or fish sauce. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I've included the link below for the recipe.
So I have finished these spring rolls, and this is what it looks like. We have peanut sauce and the fish sauce. I like fish sauce, so made myself some fish sauce. All right, let's try one. Dip it real good. Yummy.